We will never forget this man. Every time this happens, this man, when my brother, he shared the news. He was an intellectual investor. Kama ni music, so wabiranganya naye so this is just a way we never so hard because I think that so so we celebrate his legacy, we celebrate his art. It's going to be here for eternity.
You're going to come out for the 6 months. Why is it that every time Niba za radio zisinga okusinga papa abakyali abaki agomanyi kabaka radio wumula mirembe naye tewawumula mirembe okyatutwala abakyaliwo kyakola ki kabaka Moses omuntu yandyebuuzizza for the 6 years you have been without radio what is the music industry missing?
At the time, it misses again. He was like one of the music I'm missing. Si music weka. Ensi na olaba matomato gera bagiraje twaberanga mu. Isi njagala mwe clip noza mulabanga ni mu nyanja. I was the director and producer of that show, The Beauty President. So tell me all the music that has moved the nation, and some of those brothers we are teaching now to the government and they are listening. Some of his words and some of his things. So I don't know. Mmoja kwa tumamtegera that level to as a genius civil music yeka naye ngo omuntu obwongo omuntu ategera buli kimu ku nsi was one of the guys yagala ati buli kimu ati mutegera bwesera so music kama bisi wangenzi mani wana icon I think you're the icon and one most of the music but then you have that then I think it's very good so that's one that's it and so it's so I bought this t-shirt and sang so these are things we have to start discussing with the family. How to manage these things. Because it's an icon, you never go away. When you start to remember what you're doing, you never have to do what you're doing. most over kuma ta sai kun yana da aiki ana da kuma ta ta da sabon zanga ko duk da kaga ina fata story to ka su da family and you for the story in the very very wannan ya da su ko so we take plan the mass was fighting for the control. One of the stars in Uganda Palace. Yesterday was a complaint. Why are we celebrating only radio instead of celebrating radio? We celebrate because we don't know that we celebrate because we celebrate our wisdom. Because my because I don't mention that we also have another celebration. So I celebrate my I do it that every day. I celebrate that. Look at the way you so to the better you will press and celebrating such a very good time. I celebrate and I don't celebrate because it was a duo. Look at it, you are by of course about one. tumanyi how the move music tumanyi kulanga raga nagera kwabo nagera to celebrating about because it's part of a good combination. It's part of radio story. We have two, they have two, it's radio music. But now we have because it's best of it. So I'm like, we have to venture and we should celebrate. And we should celebrate. This is one of the most talented people we'll ever have in this country. So it is not only now. It's going to stand. Even my great things will be open that music. We don't have to go over the Christmas. I've already the gentleman every day. Thank you.